Let's make the Royal Rum Coke from Pusser's Rum. We are going to make this drink in the glass. And the first thing I'm going to do is fill my glass with ice. And the glass is a highball or Collins glass. Next, I'm going to put 2 ounces of my Pusser's Rum into the glass. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Top it with 4 to 6 ounces of your Coca-Cola. 4 to 6 ounces is 120 to 180. I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to top. Milliliters, that is, 120 to 180 milliliters. Garnish is a lime wedge. This one does not say to squeeze, so I'm not going to squeeze it. I am going to add a straw though, even though the instructions don't say that. And there you have it, the Royal Rum and Coke. Drink with good spirits.